The battle for Neva Prime was a turning point in the galaxy's long-standing war. Humans, a fledgling species compared to the centuries-old Zarvian Empire, had been pushed to the brink of extinction. Neva Prime, the galaxy's richest source of crystalline energy, was humanity's last hope, a desperate gamble in the face of annihilation. The Zarvians, towering reptilian beings with scales as hard as titanium, had dominated the war for decades. Their fleet orbited Neva Prime in an impenetrable formation. Thousands of Zarvian dreadnoughts, bristling with energy cannons, formed an unyielding blockade around the planet. But humans had always been innovators, and desperation, it seemed, was the mother of miracles. Commander Elena Drake, aboard the Vanguard, reviewed the battle plans one last time. The holographic display of the Zarvian formation filled the war room. Every simulated scenario ended the same: utter defeat. Yet Elena's face betrayed no fear, only cold determination. The Vanguard was no warship. It was a mining vessel, retrofitted in secrecy by the last human engineers. The Zarvians underestimated humans, assuming they relied on brute force. But humanity's strength had never been in their weapons. It was in their ideas. As the Zarvian fleet loomed closer, the Vanguard executed its seemingly suicidal maneuver. The ship ignited its engines, hurtling straight toward the blockade. Zarvian interceptors swarmed, firing relentlessly. The Vanguard seemed doomed to be obliterated in moments. That's when the trap was sprung. Inside the ship's hull were thousands of drones, each no larger than a human fist. These drones weren't armed with weapons, but with quantum disruption nodes, an experimental technology capable of disabling the crystalline energy cores that powered Zarvian ships. As the Vanguard absorbed hit after hit, the drones were released, spreading like a cloud of fireflies across the void. Zarvian ships targeted the drones with precision, but couldn't destroy them all. One by one, the quantum nodes activated, and the Zarvian dreadnoughts went dark. The Zarvian fleet fell into chaos, their communications jammed, their engines dead, their weapons silent. In less than 10 minutes, what had been an unstoppable armada became a graveyard of floating steel. Commander Drake stood on the Vanguard's bridge, watching the battlefield unfold. The Zarvian flagship, the Ultharan, still powered, was making its retreat. Humanity's genius had shattered the unbreakable. Elena didn't smile. She knew the war wasn't over, not yet. But for the first time in years, humanity had more than hope. They had a victory, and the galaxy would never underestimate the humans again.